Hi class, it's Professor Garner. I just wanted to do a quick video to tell you a couple things. First of all, I know that I am behind on the grading and I apologize for that. My goal is to be all caught up by the end of the week. So I'm working on that until every day until Friday. Hopefully we get it all caught up. And then secondly, I want to talk to you about, because the assignment that is due tonight, it's Tuesday at midnight, the assignment that's due tonight is the first assignment kind of in a progression of assignments that will lead to our probably the biggest assignment of the semester, this information literacy annotated bibliography, which then we're going to use to do a presentation that you will record. So we have done the annotated bibliography, kind of the one we did before on that diversity topic was kind of the practice round. And now we're going to do a longer annotated bibliography and again, use this information to create a presentation. So the assignment that's due for tonight asks you to pick a topic, right? So you can pick either of two topics. You can pick something related to a career, or you can pick something related to college success, right? And so that's what the assignment explains for that is due today on Tuesday the 12th. And so, for example, maybe you're going to pick an issue associated with a career. So maybe like post-traumatic stress disorder in nursing, or something like controlling phishing attempts in information technology or that kind of thing. So thinking about an issue in a career that you're interested in, so that's one part, or a topic about college success. And this could be the same topic that you did use for the diversity assignment in the first one, but you'll have to find 5 new fresh articles. So you could do a topic like college success and students with ADHD, or college success and single mothers, something like that. All right, so you'll pick one of those topics, and then you're going to have to find 5 sources for this annotated bibliography. Note that at least 2 of the 5 should be scholarly. They're from academic journals, and you can find those using the Find It tool for the library. And for this, we're going to have 5 sources. Each of them, you're going to do the same thing you did for the first annotated bibliography. You're going to create a citation in MLA. You're going to do a summary. You're going to do evaluating the reliability and credibility of the source. And you're going to do an explanation of roles. Same thing that you did. So each citation will be worth 20 points, 5 points for each of the 4 elements, 5 citations. So this is going to be worth 100 points total, and it'll be 20% of your course grade. So I just want to make sure that it was clear what the topic is. There's a video here that talks more about how to do the annotated bibliography. We're going to be working our way through all the different chapters of the book that deal with information literacy. So we're going to be taking this bibliography maybe just a little bit slower than the last one and thinking about all the different skills involved. And so the assignment for today is identify where you're identifying your topic. I just wanted to let you know that this is kind of what we are working through. And so if I go back, let me just talk about the assignment for, this is not the assignment for today. This is the assignment for next week, where you're going to work on gathering the information. But like I said, all the assignments are going to build on each other until we get to that annotated bibliography assignment, which is due in week 10. We are here in week 7. This is the assignment that you're going to do. And again, choose a group of students that HCC offers support. So this is your possible topics. Either choose a group of students HCC offers support, or think about your career. We did all those career inventories. So think a little bit more about your career and wanting to learn about your career and what some issue is related to your career. Let me know if you have any questions about this assignment or anything leading up to the annotated bibliography. Good luck, and I think that's it for me. So bye-bye.